Hi guys! Welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today, we're cooking a savory and slightly spicy chicken stir-fry with toasted peanuts and basil. Let's get started. We are using 1 kilogram of chicken legs. First, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Let's marinate the chicken. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and if you want a bit more texture in the sauce, add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, totally optional. Mix everything well until the chicken is nicely coated. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more easy home-cooked dishes. Next, heat some oil in a pan. Toss in the stems of your onion leeks and toast them for a bit. This adds a great base flavor. If you like a little spicy, go ahead and add some dried chilies. The amount is totally up to you. Give it a quick toss. Now, set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 cup of peanuts. Toast them until they're fragrant and lightly browned. This should take about a minute or so. At this time, set the peanuts aside. Now, add 4 tablespoons of sesame oil into the same pan. Now, add the sliced onions. Sauté until they start to soften and smell aromatic. Then add 8 cloves of minced garlic and give it a good stir. Now, it's time to add the marinated chicken. Save the extra marinade for later. Sauté the chicken until the edges start to brown and it smells delicious. To boost the flavor even more, add 3 tablespoons of rice cooking wine. Stir it in and let it toast for a bit. Next, pour in 1.5 cups of water. Now, add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give a good mix. At this time, add the remaining marinade. Let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. As the sauce begins to reduce, add the toasted peanuts back into the pan. Let it simmer a bit more. The peanuts will soften slightly and absorb that savory sauce. Now, toss in your onion leeks and chilies and give it a good mix. Let it all simmer together until the sauce thickens and clings to the chicken. Finally, add a handful of fresh basil leaves. This will lift the entire dish with a burst of aroma and flavor. Give it a final stir. And it's ready to serve. And there you have it. This dish is bold, nutty, a little spicy, and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our next delicious dishes. And while you're here, check out my other cooking videos. I've got more easy recipes packed with flavor. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!